Okay naman, excited na may halong kaba na siyempre ano din, looking forward kasi ano 'to, start ng new journey kasama yung mahal ko, yun. To my beautiful and lovely wife, Angelica, God knows kung paano mo binago yung buhay ko at yung pananaw ko sa buhay. Ang galing no, mula dun sa masungit na good morning, dun sa unang chat natin. Tapos ngayon, magiging ka-apelyido na kita. Dadali mo na yung apelyido ko.
Oh, I treasure good moments.
Hello, love. Ayan. Ano na, we've waited for more than 2 years for this day and it's finally happening. We've prayed for it and nag-prepare tayo the best that we could prepare for our families and loved ones. So, oh my God, I think I'm gonna cry. Oh.
If you ask me what love is,
Isa lang message ko, galingan natin. Kasi matagal na nating inaantay ito. Ito yung pinaka nilulook forward natin.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. See you later.
Maliligaw pa, maliligaw pa.
Sa mga minamahal, tayo narito sa araw nito. Sa presensya ng ating Diyos at ng lahat ng narito upang ipag-isang dibdib sina Jerwin at Ella.
tell anyone else I'm discovering things I never knew before. Love is all these and more. Love is
Timeno Christopher.
Love is all these and more.
We're married!
Love is all these and more. So if you ask me what love is, I'd shrug and I'd smile. Rest your head and lay down for a while. There's so much to say and so much to do. I just wanna live my whole life with you.